First move, you've got the umbrella in your right hand and you're holding the tip in your left. You've got it against your belly button so your arms are bent. We're doing a variation on the grapevine. We do it 4 times. So we step out with the right, we cross with the left, we step out again and we tap. It goes the other way. So we've got left, so we cross, we hold on to our body again. We step out, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do that all together. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second move. The second move, we've started here. We're going to walk around our umbrella for 8 counts. We walk back for 8 counts. It's a bit of detail. So we starting off on our right leg. We step out on 1 and we put our hands up high, facing down, and we're looking down the umbrella. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, we look up to our hand, we turn our hand over. 5, 6, 7, tap. We come back. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, we put a hand on our chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Show you that again. So we've just finished here, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking up. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into your chest. 6, 7, 8. Third move. We turn to face the left, and we've got 4 walks. We've got left, right, left. We bring the umbrella in. Right, we stomp and push the umbrella in the air. We wait. 5, 6. We turn. 7. We take hold of it in the air. 8 and 1. All together. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Next move. We've had our hands above our head and we've gone and 1. We carry on. 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 sways. 5, 6, 7, 8. All together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. Wait. 2, 3, 4. Look at it. Sway. 6, 7, 8. The next move is 4 swish steps. So we take the umbrella over our head. We step on our right. 1, 2. Step forward left. Cross right. You'll do that facing you. So these are the swish steps. We've just finished 5, 6, 7, 8. You're stepping forward as the umbrella comes over your head. You close your legs together, but you push your leg as far over as you can, and your hands come onto that standing leg hip. So that's 1, 2. Step forward left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together. So we've gone 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've just finished across like this, the end of our swish moves, and we start to find the double pulse of the music. So we're walking back 8 small walks, and we're doing little circles with the arms. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All together. 5, 6, 7, 8. You've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next move. We've done 8 little walks back with the arms circling. So we've got 3 step hops. We face the back, we hop, we face the side, we hop, we face the front, we hop, and then we go step, turn, step. All together, we're going to go from the walks going backwards. So we're stepping back on the right, we've got and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and step, turn, step. The next move is the umbrella opening. You're going to pull your weight back onto your right leg, step onto the left, pull your weight back onto your right leg, step onto your left again and go down onto your knee. During that, having been here, you're going to bring your hand back, you're going to undo the elastic as you pull your weight back onto your right leg. You're going to step onto the left, you're going to make sure it's ready and your hand is on your release on the umbrella. You're going to step back 3 inches, go down to your knee. You press release, push the arm away. We are going to show you that now, all together. We're going into the step hop, where we step on our right to face the back and we hop. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. Pulling back and do 2 to the back, find the flicker down, push out. Excellent. The next move, we're going to slowly push the umbrella away. It's in our right hand, if you see, and it's coming up, and we're coming up with it for 8 counts before going and 1. Gene Kelly starts to sing. We turn on the spot for 1, 2, 3, 4. We put our hands up high, cross our leg, we go down, 2, 3, 4. We come up, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do that all together. So, we're down on our knee. All together, so we've got 5, 6, 7, 8. The umbrella goes forward and up. 3, 4, coming up. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Hand goes above. Cross the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. As low as you can. Coming up. 6, 7, 8.